Hello children, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're staying safe at home. Okay, so continuing with the animal tissues, today we will move on to the muscle tissue. Now you know when we talk about the muscle tissue, we are talking about the tissue which forms the muscles of the body. They contract and relax, which leads to body movements. So these are the three characteristics of your muscle tissue. Now there are three kinds of muscles in our body. First is striated muscles. Skeletal means it is attached to our skeleton. Striped means it has stripes, and voluntary means it is under our control. Okay, now next we come to unstriated muscles. Okay, when we talk about unstriated muscles, we are talking about smooth, unstriped and involuntary muscles. And the third type is the heart or the cardiac muscles. Now striated muscles, when we talk about striated muscles, we are talking about the muscles which is under the control of our will. Example, muscle of the arms, legs, face, neck. Now if you drop a pencil, you need to pick it up. Now when you pick it up, you have to bend down, you have to use your arms. So the muscles that you are using are the striated muscles. Now how is it under your control? Now if you're feeling lazy, you don't want to pick up the pencil, you don't, isn't it? So that is how it is under our control. Next, it is made up of long fibers, okay, which are nucleated and striated. Okay, now you can see nucleated means it has a nucleus. Okay, striated mean they have long fibers, so they are long, elongated. Okay, and they are striated means it has stripes. The light, you can see these are the light bands, and then it has dark bands as well. Okay, the dark bands. Moving on to unstriated muscles. Remember, unstriated muscles are not under our control. We cannot control it, like muscles which are found on the walls of the intestines, in the lining of the blood vessels. Now food is passing through your intestines. Can you ask the food to stop there? No, you cannot. So it is not under your control. Okay, now even the muscles which are connected to your lungs, when you breathe, the muscles in your lungs contract and relax. So that is also not under your control. It may be up to a certain limit, but you cannot control it forever. Okay, now they are long spindle shaped. Spindle shape means they are pointed at the two ends. Okay, and they are uninucleated means it has one nucleus in the middle. Next we come to cardiac muscles. When we talk about cardiac in biology, we are talking about our heart. Okay, cardiac in biology means heart. So cardiac muscles means the muscles which are found in the heart. So they are involuntary. You cannot control the muscles of your heart, and they are found in the walls of the heart. Okay, the fibers are striated. Again, there are dark and light bands, uninucleated, one nucleus, and they are branched so that each and every part of the heart can contract and relax. And they are short, means the muscles are short, they are not very long. And these muscles contract without any external stimulation. Okay, nothing from outside asks the heart to contract and relax, asks the heart to beat. Okay, and of course you know they do not get tired. Soon, you know, if the heart gets tired, that means the person is dead. Now moving on to the nervous or the neural tissue, we are talking about the tissue which makes up the nervous system. Okay, now this tissue is made up of specialized elongated cells called neurons. So this is the diagram of the neuron. The entire thing is a neuron. Okay, each nerve cell consists of a cell body, okay, star-shaped cell body, which has a nucleus at the center. Okay, the cell body is also known as cyton or pericardion. So at the ends of the cytone, there are dendrites or many dendrons. Okay. One of the dendrites becomes long and elongated to form the axon. Okay. So the axon is very long. If you remember in the first chapter, that is the cell chapter, we learnt the longest cell. You wrote down the nerve cell. So it may be as long as 3 meters long in elephants. Okay. Now when the axons, we are talking about this long axon. Okay. Now suppose this is the star shaped, and then you have star shaped cytone or the cell body, and then you have the long axons. When these axons are bundled together, then it is known as a nerve. Okay. Now axons bundled together forms a nerve. So here you can see I showed you how the axons, this long portion, gets bundled together and then it forms a nerve. Now the function of the nerve tissue is perception and responses of animals. That means response to external stimuli. Okay. Someone pinches you, you feel the pain. So what is the perception? You see, your perception is you feel the pain. Okay. You perceive. And then how do you respond? By saying ouch, or maybe you'll get angry at your friend, the pain that you feel. Okay. So how you react is your response. So the function is perception and responses of animals. So children, with this we come to the end of animal tissues. Go through the uploaded videos at least 2 or 3 times. Okay. And then whatever work is to be done, I will be passing it on to our WhatsApp group. Have a great day.